All right, so now we have an example where we can apply all this knowledge that we've learned and actually, solve for x and find an angle measure. So this is where it gets a little bit more interesting. So we're asked to find the measure of angle 1 if line C is parallel to line D. So we know that these two lines are parallel, and you've got your transversal cutting through. So here's our transversal, is this line right here. And then your two lines are these. These are all coplanar. All right, so we're asked to find the measure of angle 1, which is right here, but we're given some other information. We know that this angle is 3x plus 5, and this angle is 2x plus 10. So what are these two angles? What type of angle pair are they? And this is they're on the interior and alternate sides of the transversal. So these are alternate interior angles. And what do we know about alternate interior angles? They are congruent. So what we can do is go ahead and say that 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. And now we can solve for x. So first get your x's on the same side. So we'll subtract 2x over there. That leaves us with a 1x plus 5 is equal to 10. And then get the x alone, we can subtract 5. So x equals 5. So it's easy to think that we're done with the problem, but we want to remember what they actually asked us to do. They asked us to find the measure of angle 1. So it might be helpful to figure out what these angles are. We know that they have the same measure, but we don't know what it is. So if we plug in the 5, so let's say we look at the 2x plus 10, and you really could use either one because you'd get the same answer. Plug in 5 for x, so we have 10 plus 10, this is 20 right here. See if, kind of messy. So if that is 20 degrees, what other angle measures are 20 degrees? So based off of the last video that we just did, I know that its vertical angle is 20 degrees, and I also know that its corresponding angle is 20 degrees, and we also know that this 3x plus 5 would be 20 degrees because we already said that those two angles were congruent. So based off of that, did we figure out the measure of angle 1? And we did. The measure of angle 1 is equal to 20 degrees from right here.